I got really excited when we when Yuri played that song in Yiddish class because my mom used to play the I forgot what we call it, but it was something like her drab Jewish song CD because it was just a whole collection of like very very deep voiced men singing these slow sad songs, and I never knew that Tumbalalaika was, I never knew what the words meant until now. But yeah, I just remember hearing this really really sad recording of it my entire childhood. I realized that I had a connection to it. I always thought it was just kind of a CD in the record player, but now I realize that it's a Yiddish folk song, and that and that it's beautiful. I never I never gave it a second thought before.